In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this ZTE. You need to start by opening Clock app. Then click on Alarm section at the top left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this plus icon. Finally, set up an hour. When you're ready, click on Repeat and pick once, Monday to Friday, every day, or Custom. If you want to set up Custom, click on it and pick days of the week manually. Then click Save. Now you can disable or enable Snooze and vibrations by tapping on those two switchers. Then click on Snooze section and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then select the back button. Now you can click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to. If you wish to, click on OK and tap on Alarm Tone. Now you can select one of those sections, Alarm Tone, Music, or Recordings. Then tap on the best song for you and save it by tapping on OK again. Finally, to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it and select one of those options. You can switch it back on the same way. If you wish to edit it, click on it, change wherever you wish to, and tap on the check mark again. You can also get rid of your alarm by holding it, selecting Delete at the bottom right corner, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner and manage all of them however you wish to, like alarm duration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!